So then we
Okay.
get this page. So we need to enter our roll number. Like my roll number is 18BT0019, and we need to solve this problem. 8
Yes.
minus 4 is 4, and then we need to log in. So after logging in, we get this page, sir. This page,
Okay.
sir.
So these are available to you, all the classes that have been posted for all the dates. I think this is only
Yes,
for first semester. So what happens
yes,
when you click this join link? Because this join link is not available to the teachers interface. So you
yes.
have Ecology 801 for fifth semester here. Although this is a class, I'll just clarify here. I had posted the same Ecology 801 in the fourth semester page as well as in the fifth semester page. So when you, since you are a student of fifth semester, you can only see the thing of the fifth semester. So when you click on join, what is happening?
So
Show
when
us.
we click on this join, we are directed to this page, sir, not found. So it
Okay,
is not
so what?
working.
No, this is not working because I have already informed the vendor what is happening here. This slash desktop slash, this extra 9 characters is there. I have requested them to look into this technical matter. So this is the problem. Otherwise, if you remove slash desktop slash, so then you could come to this particular meeting, right?
So should I try that?
If you try that, then won't you be logged out of this Google meeting itself?
Yes, sir. For that I need to. Yeah. Then we will not be able to record the.
No, no, that's okay. There's no point in recording that because what we wanted to show is that there is this technical problem in. See, you can easily see that this particular classes.siliguricollege.in slash desktop slash. So the portion that's need to be available to the students is meet.google.com slash the meeting code.
Yes,
So
sir.
even the 10 letter meeting code is enough. So I think, and I'm just recording this for the purpose of the students so that they can come. All the other students can also join in the same way. So if required, I can obviously present that to the teachers if required. Anyway, so let us get back to the class now. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and so you just found out that those 4 to 5 classes were there, and you could enter my class because it was scheduled for today.